On October 30, 2022, 911 dispatch received many complaints about a irresponsible driver in Florida, driving beyond double yellow lines and onto the grass. A short time later, deputies from the sheriff's office located the vehicle parked on the side of the road.
So I pulled over to let people across. All that construction, eagerness, and take this road all the way back around. I even got the Red Bull. I just got off of work. So making sure to stop.
I gotcha. Can you hand me your driver's license? Just sit tight just for a second. I'll be back up here with you, okay?
I'm not.
You're okay.
Right.
Just sit tight, okay?
You have EMS phone for
I'm gonna have one of them drive your car, okay? Because I don't think you're fit to be driving.
I am.
When Deputy Leonard approached the mother, he noticed two children under the age of 5 in the back seat. What happened next is captured on the video. The cops ordered her to get out of the vehicle after checking her license and identity. The woman began crying as soon as she got out of the car.
You're fine. All right. Right back there towards my car.
It's just a little easier on the concrete than in the grass.
Okay.
Just hang out just for a second. What are you doing?
What to expect, so...
Do me a favor. Just back your car right into the curve
Yeah,
back
I
there,
can-
almost
okay.
just out of the curve, so you're
I
facing this way.
promise. Yeah.
Just block traffic for me.
Please. Thank you. Good have a one me, if you don't notice. This knee is big.
It's coming through, you know what I mean?
I'm trying to drink Red Bull because I just got off. I just got off at 2. They caught me off at 2:45, and it's just not even 2:45.
Alright, so I can tell again, talking to you now, you're slurring.
Yeah.
So let me ask you again, have you had any alcohol?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
This is me. And you can visually see, it's visibly bigger than that last one.
I'm just trying to get some duct tape out so we can
Yeah.
start.
Alright.
Hang out right there. Don't go anywhere. Just stay right there.
Oh,
Just stand
sorry.
still.
Okay.
Thank you.
I just need that back.
I'm so sorry. Oh.
What's the matter?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
I don't have insurance. So I already went hospital. You'll be okay. Like, and we had to pay that bill.
Right, do it right in the middle and then just walk back.
The purple.
Not yet. We're just gonna let you chill out for just a second.
Ain't your help.
The cops began to lay a line to test her ability to walk straight on it.
Of course. Of course. I can give you that.
Here, do me a favor.
Hang on, hang on.
Come stand on this line for me right here. I want you to stand on this line with your heels on the line and stand facing me. Thank you.
After the cops decided to cuff her because she was walking dizzy from the start, and the woman agrees as if she understands nothing. She isn't aware she's being detained by authorities for careless driving with a child until she walks him through the cop's truck and began cursing and weeping.
Hands behind your back.
Yeah.
Alright, at this time you're being placed under arrest,
That's
under suspicion
fine.
of DUI, okay?
That's fine.
I think you've been drinking. Stand up straight.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Double.
Yeah.
Oh.
Stand up. What are you doing? You've been standing fine this whole time.
No.
Stand straight up.
Cops instantly calmed the boy, telling him not to be afraid of the situation and give him a toy to distract him. The woman was charged with DUI and child neglect on 2 counts. She refused to take a breathalyzer, urine test, or blood test. She was later released on a $3,000 bond.
Come on. Hey, don't make this harder. Don't make this harder.
No, I'm not.
Stand up.
Yes.
Stand up.
Come on.
All right, have a seat right in here. Look up.
Yeah.
Have a seat right here.
Okay.
Turn around, butt first.
Okay.
Butt first.
Turn around.
Stand up. Put your foot in there. Put your leg in there.
Yeah.
Hey, go stand. Get in the car.
There you go. Yep, lift your leg,
You're
lift
making
it.
this more difficult.
Lift it. Come on, turn around, butt first.
Look, Crystal.
There you go.
Just going down.
I got it.
I'm helping you.
Is Rudolph your daddy?
Grandpa?
You know what daddy's name is? Is Rudolph?
Parents. Hi, this is Deputy Whitehead. Can you hear me?
Hello? Hold on! What the fuck? Hold on! What the fuck? Hold on! What the fuck is you going with?
You're under arrest.
I'm glad you guys are safe now. Were you scared?
You like stuffed animals?
Yeah.
Alright, which one?
All right, you ready to walk?
You ready?
You okay?
Oh, alright.
This has been Cams Don't Lie, bringing you the truth, up close and personal. To keep yourself updated on the scene, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Cams Don't Lie reporting out.